Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called MediaHub, which is a multi-vendor platform that is designed for sellers who are selling digital assets such as graphic, stock images, videos, ebooks, music, serial keys, HTML and many more to millions of hungry buyers around the world and generating huge profits. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello and welcome to the demo of MediaHub Builder. Okay, what is MediaHub Builder? MediaHub Builder is a multi-vendor platform designed for sellers who are selling digital assets such as graphics, stock, images, video, ebook, music, seals, HTML, script, all kind of things like the digital assets. Who can sellable? The vendor will sell it over here. And how does it work? The MediaHub Builder, it's very simple. Alright, so over here there is a settings. The dashboard in settings, you can set in your own hub, your marketplace, and ask a vendor or seller to come in your marketplace and sell it. You will get referral commissions like that. So I'll give you the example how does it work. Okay, so right now first of log in your marketplace. Right now want to sell something. I have a lot of things to sell on your marketplace, so I'll go and start selling. There is a formalities like you can set up in your admin. So go to register now, and okay, so once I will register, the message has been sent. Now your account has been registered. So I have registered with your, like I'm the vendor, so I'm registering right now. So free membership, I get it as a free membership, free registration. So I have let it limit, total limit 5 items and 5 MB and 15 days. Upload item 0. Right now we do not upload anything. Available is 5. Download is 5. So I'm going to manage item. Okay, and I will upload like I have a lot of things to sell. I will upload on your market. So I click on that. This one. More than enough just to file upload. I think there is some extension issues. Let me tell you the submit that. Okay, as a vendor I have submit a query like I want to sell a product to your marketplace. So you will go to your marketplace, like your admin panel, and I think it should be here in users and vendor. Let me see here. Okay, John 1260. I have registered with this account under verification, so non-exclude users, it's pending status. So let's go to edit and change to verified on verification if he paid and after items and items, go to edit. Here's the status right now unapproved, so I'll go to for approved. After I checked it and I found all good, so I will approve the product like you subscription I think. Yeah, so now I think it should be, here we go. Have all the options. Customer will purchase it in $27 extended license if he will purchase it. So everything is set up by you, as you are, because you are the admin. Once you will buy it, then you will be admin, and you can change everything. So I will let all the informations in training, which is step-by-step training, all of the trainings, and use this marketplace, which is very cheaper and good. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.